Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got a real treat for you today. We're making chicken chow mein. Let me start off by saying, yes, this is keto chicken chow mein, but it's also just amazing chicken chow mein. It always bothers me. It's almost a pet peeve. You go online, you look up a keto recipe, and what you see is a recipe that it really isn't any good. The ingredients aren't good. It doesn't taste like what they say it's supposed to taste like. It doesn't resemble it at all. It's hard to be on keto if you feel like you're depriving yourself. With this kind of a recipe, you don't feel like that at all. You feel like you just ate amazing Chinese food. So let me show you how to make it. It's delicious. We're just going to put a little bit of oil in our pan to get started, and then we're going to start cooking up the chicken. And while this cooks, let me talk about the main ingredient here, the reason why this is so good. And the reason it's so good is because the noodles. So if you go ahead and look at our past videos, we have a pasta video in there, and that's exactly the same kind of noodles we're making today. They are made with a keto flour, and they kind of give you a little bit of a denser bite to it, and that actually works in our favor for chow mein. These noodles were cut on a spaghetti pasta cutter, and you can see these are perfect chow mein noodles ready to go. And that really is the key to make this an amazing dish. And while I'm cooking this up, just to let you know, this is sponsored by Best Ketone Test. We sell an amazing, really popular ketone and glucose tester. And actually with our memberships, we have the cheapest price on the market. You can get 50 glucose strips for $9.99 and 50 ketone strips for about $34. So it's a great deal, best price you're going to find anywhere. And we provide great custom personal support, and you'll just really love what you get. All right, so we're going to fast forward through this cooking, so you're going to have to watch the chicken cook, and then we'll get back and start working on our sauce. All right, we're going to set our chicken aside now, and we're going to start working on our sauce. This is just chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs if you want as well. To be honest, the only chicken thighs I had at the store, which were what I was looking for, were huge packages. I didn't need that much. And so I just went with the chicken breast. All right. For the beginning of our sauce, we're going to use a little bit more oil. That's just regular oil. We're going to put in some, the right ingredient here. We're going to put in some sesame oil as well. And then we're going to put in our aromatics, our ginger, garlic, and scallion. And we're just going to let that cook up for a minute or so. We're looking for the garlic to turn white, translucent. It all cooks fast and can burn easy, so you got to be careful on that. You could use granulated garlic and ginger, but really there's no comparison. Fresh ginger and garlic is the best in this dish. Once it's cooked and ready, we're going to put in ingredients for our sauce. We're going to start with 3 tablespoons of a gluten-free soy sauce. We're going to put in our rice vinegar. We're going to put in our brown sugar. Turn that down a bit. We're going to put in our fish sauce. It's just a teaspoon. And we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. That'll help thicken it up and make our sauce stick to our noodles. We're just going to stir this up a little bit. And once it's stirred up, we're going to add our vegetables. So we have our cabbage, bean sprouts, and carrots. And we're going to let this cook until the vegetables they're still a little crispy. We're going to get them a little tender. That'll take a few minutes. This recipe is about 6.5 grams, net grams of carbs per serving with the noodles and everything. It makes 6 servings for how we're doing it here today. So really definitely can fit in with your macros. All right, our vegetables are cooked down now, so we can go ahead and add in our noodles. I'm going to link the noodle description or the noodle video in the description of this video. I actually made this with a KitchenAid and a dough hook. In the video, I made it by hand. It only took about 15 minutes to totally whip it up and cut it out. There's an hour resting period in between, but it actually is a really fast recipe to put these noodles together. So we're going to put these in. And then we're going to stir it all up and get them hot. I made these noodles yesterday, so you can definitely make them the day before and save them. And we're going to also add it back in our chicken. Now we're just going to let it get all heated up and it'll be finished. All right, it is all done. So I'm going to throw it on a plate here, show you what it looks like. Like I said, this is a 15-minute video, or excuse me, it's a 15-minute recipe. If you want more soy sauce or anything else on this, you can definitely throw it on. I love it just the way it is, but there you go. You've got your keto chow mein ready to go. Hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. And we're going to be back here making more videos like this every week so you can have awesome keto food that doesn't taste like keto food. See you next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.